Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Travlin Prof, and in today's video we are going to review the words that we have learned in week number 6. In last week's words of the day, we learned about lunch, which is Abend. And we learned a lot about the different kinds of foods that you might expect to have at lunch. In this week's lessons, however, we moved on a little bit and began to learn words for vegetables. What is the word for vegetables?
Овощи. Овощи.
Like in America, one of the common ways that people eat their vegetables is in a salad. What is the word for salad in Russian?
Салат. Салат.
One of the most common vegetables in Eastern Europe is the beet. And this is because this vegetable forms the basis of the Russian soup borscht, which you will remember we learned last week. What is the word beet in Russian?
Свекла. Свекла.
Another word that we learned last week was garnir. And this word refers to any kind of dish that is served after soup during Abend. What is the word for a potato, whether or not it is served in this position at Abend?
Картошка. Картошка.
This week we also learned the word for meat. What is the word meat in Russian?
Мясо. Мясо.
And our last word for week 6 was a specific kind of meat, a fish. What is the word for fish?
Рыба. Рыба.
Well, that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you find these videos helpful as a review of the words that we have learned during a week. If you feel like studying these words on your own time without actually pulling up YouTube, you can. Don't forget that we are making these words available on a Chegg Prep review list. You can find us by searching for Travlin Prof-Kitchen. Check out the video description for more information. Also, for those who are new at studying Russian and are working on learning the alphabet, we will soon be releasing an extended video explaining all the intricacies of the Russian alphabet and how you can learn more easily to read. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you are alerted as soon as it becomes available. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.